Okay, so here is part 2 of my video. I did a video earlier on my Ricerocks game here, and this is the final product, which is actually incomplete. Unfortunately, I ran out of time and I had to hand it in, so uh, this is the code that I have. It's not, it wasn't really difficult to get what I got here, but I just couldn't figure out how to get the thing to shoot properly. So we got my code here. Just peruse through it and look at it here. I managed. It took a while for me to figure out how to get these things to work here, but she seems to be working fine now. So let's see. I got. This is what it took for me to get my ship to move and to rotate. That's a lot of fucking code. I kid you not. That's a lot of code. It took me a long time to write that. A lot of tweaking to get it to work properly too. Basically, you got to use a lot of trig functions and some calculus to get this thing to work. So this is my asteroid movement in this area here. Explosion size, I got the explosions to work, but they were just blowing up. Like there'd be explosions in the middle of the screen, and it just kept going and going and going. And I couldn't get it to stop, so I wanted it just to show up when the ship crashed into an asteroid, but it didn't work that way, so I decided, screw it, I'm not going to even bother putting that in my code anymore. I just commented it out here, as you can see. So I don't even know if I can get it to work to show you what happens here, but see if I can get it to work and comment these guys here. Probably give me an error. Yeah, it gave me an error. I'm not sure what's going on here, but anyway, let's get rid of that there because that obviously didn't do anything. So I'm just gonna get Control Z these guys back. There we go. Looking again. My asteroids are moving. The ship moves. So yeah, that's about as far as I got. And then you can see here, right here, that's my missile. You can actually see it leaving the ship. I couldn't figure out how to do that, so I said fuck it and I gave up. And I handed it in with what I had. My instructor's pretty cool, so he'll probably still give me a decent mark for this, even though I didn't actually complete it. So anyway, that's my Code Sculptor experience here.